हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सबका स्वागत है आपके अपने चैनल फार्माटेक आईक्यू में। आज फिर हम कुछ वैकेंसीज लेके आए हैं। जो पहली वैकेंसीज है वो है एलेम्बिक में। एलेम्बिक कंपनी इज़ ए इंडियन मल्टीनेशनल फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी जिनका हेडक्वार्टर बहुत ज़्यादा गुजरात में है, जो एस्टेब्लिश हुए हैं 1907 में। दे रिक्वायर्ड आरबीएम फॉर दिल्ली हेडक्वार्टर। कवरिंग एरिया जो है दिल्ली एनसीआर है। और ये जो रिक्वायरमेंट है वो आरबीएम की रिक्वायरमेंट है, और आरबीएम ये उसी सेम पोजीशन पे देखना चाहते हैं जो आरबीएम हो और कार्डियोवास्कुलर का एक्सपीरियंस में उसने काम किया हो। इफ समवन इंटरेस्टेड to join Alembic RBM position for Delhi, so please contact Mr. Pradeep Mukheja on mentioned contact number. Another vacancy we have for Troika. Troika is a Indian pharmaceutical company, multinational company, is established in 1983 and headquartered in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. The requirement is for anesthesia and critical care division, and they're looking for business executive for Delhi, North Delhi, South Delhi, West Delhi, and they are looking for experience, at least 2 years experience, and age below 26. And qualification they are looking for B Pharma or BSc. If someone interested, join Troika. So please contact Mr. Abhishek Saraswat on mention email ID and contact number. Another vacancy we have for Amcure. Amcure is a Indian pharmaceutical company and headquartered in Pune and established in 1983. And they require ABM, first line manager, and Agra and Bareilly headquarter. Also, they are looking for medical representative at Muradabad headquarter and Agra headquarter. And the division is pharma division, and they are looking for only same headquarter candidate, and same designation will be entertained. If someone interested to join Amcure, so please contact and mention email ID. Another vacancy we have for Samarth Life Sciences. Samarth Life Sciences is established in 2004 at Mumbai, and they have vacancy for TSM in Dehradun headquarter. Covering area is Dehradun, Rishikesh, Jolarghat, Saharanpur. And if someone is interested to join Samarth Life Sciences as a TSO in Dehradun headquarters, so please contact, mention email ID and phone number. Another vacancy we have for Zuventus Healthcare. Zuventus Healthcare established in 2002. It is a Pune based headquarter, and they are looking for area business manager. Division is pain management division, and they are looking for headquarter Ludhiana or Jalandhar. And the qualification they are looking for earning graduate, and maximum age is 33, and experience 1 year as a area business manager. And company criteria, currently candidate should be presently working as a ASM, and he should be good stability and should have growth in an organization, and person who can build their career in challenging environment, and good communication and clear sound of knowledge of a territory. So if someone interested to join Zuventus Pain Management Division, Ludhiana or Jalandhar headquarters, so please contact on mention contact number or send your CV on mention email ID. Hope you like this video, so please like, comment and share. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for more updates, and thanks for watching Pharmatech IQ.